So I'm going to be showing you guys two different ways you can use split screening on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now I'm going to show you how to do this on the cover display first, then we're going to open the phone up. But really all you need to have is some open tabs. Now when you look at these tabs, you're going to see the app icons for them above, and what you want to do is hold down on the app icon. And when you do this, it's going to give you an option to drop here on either the top or bottom of your screen. So I'm just going to click right there, and you can see when you do that, it basically puts your screen into split screen. Now obviously this is going to work in both portrait and landscape. As you can see, it actually looks really cool on the outer display here. And then of course you can adjust the split screen if you want to make it bigger or smaller. And yeah, okay, now let's do this with the phone actually opened up, right? Because that's how we got to see this big display split screen, right? All right, so basically the same concept here. You're just going to have some open tabs. We'll use the Play Store one more time as an example. Then we'll throw another option below it. And yeah, man, this looks so cool, doesn't it? And, you know, the nice thing about Samsung phones, too, they've always made it so easy to use split screening on their phones. And, you know, even though this phone has a 7.6-inch display, it's a lot larger, you know, it's still easy to do. Keep in mind, this will not work with every single app, split screen, but it works with a lot of different ones. I typically use split screening for, you know, if I'm browsing the internet, maybe watching a streaming service or a video. And you could also play some different games on split screening as well. It's pretty wild. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip with the Z Fold 5. I'd also like to point out that you can get on our Tech newsletter, where we send out one email a week on only the good stuff, directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this, guys, and we will see y'all in the next video.